I would say I watch a good amount of keyboard videos. Okay, fine. I watch a lot of keyboard videos. I watch a lot of keyboard videos. Okay, fine. You got me. I've watched all the keyboard videos. All of them. Even that one. That's literally everything from Switch reviews to keyboard builds and all that kind of stuff. The one thing I've noticed they all have in common is a sound test or a typing demonstration. For those of you out of the loop, a typing demonstration is a demonstration of someone typing. I mean, it's kind of... Did you know every 60 seconds a minute passes in Africa? They usually do some kind of form of a typing test. We'll press some of the modifiers so you can hear what the stabs sound like. And I believe that in theory, the aim of this is to demonstrate what the keyboard sounds like, be it the switches or the plate material or even the keycap profile. The important words being in theory. My issue with pretty much all of these is that none of them actually demonstrate what I believe to be a sufficient range of typing speeds and scenarios. Essentially, when I watch these videos, what I want to know is what my keyboard will sound like in many different scenarios, not just when I'm typing 200 words a minute, which I obviously can. I'm a typing genius. It's not like I type like 50 words a minute or something like that. Anyways, yeah, basically I want to know what my keyboard sounds like when I'm typing slowly or when I'm just sending a little message to somebody, or all the kind of different speeds that I'll go through on my daily basis. A demonstration of what it might sound like when I'm gaming or when I'm making an email or other things that you're about to see. Because what I believe that this community really needs, nay, what this community deserves, is a new typing standard, one that exhibits all of the kind of speeds and typing patterns that most people will go through when they're using their keyboard. And so without further ado, I present to you Sound Test 2. That was sick. Today, I went to, the shop. Oh. Where's the P? Okay. I already did it. GG, whatever. Cheap shop, but you know, you win some, you lose some. Oh my! That was that one! You're probably wondering why I'm so calm right now. I mean, given what just happened. Okay, this is what really happened.